MagSafe accessories. We're gonna go over them right now. What's up YouTube? This is Jason with RedBeeLabs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel and enjoy unboxings, tech reviews, and everything in between, well, do me a favor, drop a like on this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any new videos I release. Okay, so today, hold on, today, I've got MagSafe accessories, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts and my impressions, and we're just gonna get in there and see if these are actually good or, you know, or they're lacking. So let's do it. All right, so first up is the iPhone leather wallet case. I got this in Baltic Blue. This matches the case I got earlier, the leather case. And then my phone, which is the Pacific Blue, which I love. I love it. Okay, so this one is nice. Now it's, you know, like I've heard a lot of things about people saying that it doesn't attach to the back very well. Sometimes when you put it in your pants pocket, it falls off. And I still want to take the plunge and double check to see, you know, how it is. So let's jump into it. Okay, so we're gonna pop it and put this over here. And as you can see, it's just sitting right in there. Let me take him out. I'm gonna put him to the side for a sec. You get some little plastic thing that holds it in there, but you get documentations from Apple. Let me see what this is. Just information that we don't need. I'm not gonna read it all anyway. So put this over here. Okay, so then, oh, and then inside you've got a little notch right here, and you just pull it up. The little notch right there. You just pull it up, and you pull out some documentation that just tells you exactly what to do. Put the cards in and how to go. All right, throw that to the side. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the phone first. I mean, I'll put the case on there to see how it goes through with all the different magnets and stuff, but case, this, and I'm just gonna snap it on there. Boom. That was pretty simple and easy. And it looks good. So let me do a little hold on it. Nice. It's not too bulky. It doesn't get in my way. Nice. Let me see. Is it simple to get off? Simple to put back on? Put this down. Let me get some cards first of all to slide in here. So I just got like a couple cards. I got 3 cards and I'm going to go ahead and put them in. Boom. So this thing looks like it fits 3 cards. I'm not going to see that. Yeah, it's the bulkiness. I think putting a 4th card in there may be pressing it. I mean, you need to want to stretch out the leather and then try to only put 3 cards in there and you got a problem. So, but then of course, you know, you can see it in the back and it's easy to just use my little hand and then slide it up. Cool, cool. Okay, so let me snap it back on the back for you guys. Nice, nice. Fits on there, is really good. Let me go ahead and get the case. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap this case back on here. Bam, okay. All right, case is on here. Here we go. Very nice, very nice. And that blends together. I love how it just blends together. It looks nice. And, and it feels good. Like I said, it's not too heavy. Feels just as good as the case. Like, I don't know if you saw my last video, but I was talking about the leather case and how good it feels. And man, it feels amazing. And this, oh man, leather just feels good. I think I've switched now, guys. You know, but like I said, like my phones to usually just be naked or have like a deep brown skin. But I'm thinking I'll be switching over to this leather now. It's pricey, but I think I'll be switching over there. It's just nice, and I just love the way that anywhere I go, I can detach it. It's good, you know. I don't have jeans on right now. I have sweatpants. You know, COVID. You know, why do we have to wear jeans? We can wear sweatpants all the time. But it slides in my pocket. I'll jump up and show you guys really quick. It just, I don't know if you can see it. Let me kind of adjust the camera a little bit so you can see a little lower. Sorry about that, guys. And then pocket, unzip it first, goes right in. But now again, you know, my pocket is big, so it's just in and out, and like I'm not even holding it, I'm just putting it in there. I'm trying to rub it on the top and everything. It's not coming off. Now, I will definitely try it with pants on, but I don't really think that it's gonna fall too much. Now there has been a lot of people talking about that, and I mean that's fine. I mean, if it is falling off, but really as I hit it, you see, it's not coming off. But when you want to take it off, if you just give it a little pull, it'll come right off. So it's holding on there for you. It's just, I don't see how it just falls off in your pocket. But hey, I'm not knocking anybody. I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna go ahead and double check myself and see, and I will definitely get back to you guys on it. But as of now, for me, it's going to be perfect. I wear sweats a lot now, even when I go out. Sweats and everything. And my pants aren't skinny jeans. I mean, I have some, but I mean, overall, my pants are going to be loose enough that I can throw this in the back pocket or the front. And, you know, I'm kind of a paranoid person anyway. When I pull it out of my pocket, I'm going to be looking around. I'm going to make sure it's there, you know, because it's, you know, it's got my cards and stuff in it. So, but again, guys, it's really, really nice. I recommend it. It's, I mean, MagSafe. Who knew? You know, I really like it, and I kind of recommend it for you guys now. It was my first impressions, but I think it's going to be good. So, that is it for me. And, hey, if you found value in this video, if you could drop a like on this video, you could click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos that I release. I would really appreciate it. Also, follow me on social media. You know, take that journey with me. I post a lot, do a lot of things. Got some funny TikTok videos and stuff on there too. So come on over there and join us. And as always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.